Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to learn about percentage by volume, percentage by mass over volume, and lastly, mole fractions. So first, let's tackle percentage by volume. So to solve percentage by volume, the equation is the same as percentage by mass, where you divide the solute over the solution. So my example equation here would be the 25 ml ethanol divide and 200 ml solution. So let's put it in. So PV is equals to 25 ml over 200 ml. Okay. So times 100%. Now, let's divide 25 by 200. So 25 over 200 would be 25 divided by 200 is equals to 0.125 times 100%, which is 10 wait 12.5%. So this would be the percentage by volume. Sakto man. 0.125 times 100 is 12.5. Sakto. Okay, next. Another example. So what if yes, okay. What if 50 ml ethanol and 200 ml H2O. So H2O would be the solvent and ethanol would be the solute. So to get the solution, it's the same as the percentage by mass, which where you add the solvent and the solute to get 250 ml solution. Now let's plug into the equation. PV is equals to PV is equals to 50 ml over 200 ml times 100 times 100%. So now 50 divided by 200 would be 100 to 50. So 50 divided by 250 is 0.2. So equals to 0.2 times 100 would be 2%, 20%. This would be the percentage by volume. Next, let's go to the percentage by mass over volume. So in mass over volume, it's the same as the percentage by mass and the percentage by volume, but we I don't know, what do you call that? We divide the mass of the solute over the volume solution. So in this case, we have here 10 grams sodium and 200 ml H2O. Actually, hindi ko balo pa na niya mag wait lang. Dun, dun, dun. Wait lang. Okay, para easier ang aton sang example. Nila pag H2O solution ta. 100 ml solution. So as the same as before, yan na talang gyapon, which 10 grams over 200 ml times 100%. So in this case, PMV is equals to this. This is the equation. Mass of solute over volume of solution times 100%. Now, let's solve. So 10 grams over 200 ml is equals to 10 grams divided by 200 ml is 0.0. 0 equals to 0.05 times 100%, which equals to 0.05 times 100%, 0.5. So 5% would be the percentage by mass over volume. Okay, so another example would be deriving the solution to find, let's say, the solute. Example, this 5%. Okay, the given would be PMV is equals to 5%. Okay, 5%. The solution is same as 200 ml. And yeah, okay, muna lang given. So, let's derive the solution. Okay, sa likod lang. So, P over V equals to 5%. Solution 200 ml. Okay, so this is the equation. PMV equals to mass grams over volume. Solution. Solute grams. This is solution volume. Volume ml times 100. So, okay. This would be, let's substitute. PMV is 5% equals to the unknown M over, okay, let's put on a bit X. X is equals to 200 ml times 100%. Okay, first, okay, pwede ni divide mo na by 100 or pwede mo man 8 times mo by 200 ml. So let's times it first. By 200 ml. By 200 ml, cancel. 5% times 200 ml equals to X times 100%. Now, we divide both sides by 100%. 100%. Cancel. And in this case, we cancel the percentage as well. So would be 5 times 200 ml over 100. So 5 times 200 is 1,000. Wait, sakto. Ito dapat. Sakto. Okay. Would be 1,000 ml. Okay, actually, grams na ni siya kay universally known na ang napitat ng solute. When na ginabutang actually ang inyo kung mag-find ta. Pero in this case, kay nagsala ko, ibutang talang anay. Pero yun, balaan na to naman nga grams mo ni siya. So, 1,000 grams divided by 100 is 10 grams. So, same man lang sa diyo. So, meaning sakto ang aton sang answer. Okay. Last but not the least, ang mole fraction. Wait. Okay, mole fraction. So, ang given ko diri nga equation nga gimbutang is okay. 450 grams ano kaya ni? C2H5OH and 25 grams of water. Okay. So, now, let's solve. Okay, first, we need to turn these grams into mole. So, to do that, we need to know the atomic weight of each of the elements in each of the compounds. So, C2 is equals to carbon's atomic number is ay nagliwat kali ako ng laptop no. Wala na di akong pictures ang wait. Periodic table elements. Okay. Okay. So according to this, may advertisement pa. Ano makuha sini? Okay. So the atomic weight of carbon according to this is 12. So carbon is 12. Okay, dua ang carbon atoms times 2 equals to 24. Next is H, hydrogen, 5. Okay, we know that it's 1. 1 times 5 is equals to 5. And 6 gali. 6 times 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then lastly, the oxygen. The oxygen is 16. 16 yun man. Nung blurred sa'yo. 16. So, isama lang siya. Times 1 is equals to 16. Add them together. 24 plus 16, 30, 40, 46. Okay. Next is the water. Same as before. H2 is equals to 1 times 2 equals to 2. And oxygen is equals to 16 plus would be 18. Okay. This is now our atomic masses, 46 grams. So to convert them into mole, we need to divide. Okay. We need to put this. Okay, 150. Okay, pita ko sa inyo. So, i-copy nyo niyo ang ila given, which would be 150 grams of this element. Ibutang ko lang di para hindi confusion. 5OH times 1 mole divided by 46 grams. So, 1 times 150 is 150. 150 divided by 46. So, 150 divided by 46 is 3.26. 3.26 mole. So the same equation goes for this one. 25 grams. 25 grams of H2O times 1 mole over 18 grams. Is equals to 25 times 1 is 25. 25 over 18. 25 by 18 is equals to 1.39. 39 mole. Okay, after you get the moles, we will proceed to, of course, the equation. So, because hindi pa ni solution, dapat solution ng dalom. we need to add both the moles. Oh yeah, we need to add both the moles. So to get the solution. So 3 point budlay man ni camera. Kailangan ko cameraman or stand. Wait, may stand gali ko. Okay, pero okay. 3.26 plus 1.39 is 5 plus 1, 6, 7 point, okay, 4.25. So the solution is equals to 4.25 mole. Sakto man. 6% 5 plus 1, 1, 2. Ay, 6 lang gali. 4.65. 4.65. Yeah, okay. Sakto na. 4.65 ang iyasang solution. So, i-solve ta na siya. So, it's just going to be mole solute. NF is equals to mole solute over mole solution. Now we put in the given, the solute, which is the top one, equals to 150 grams of C2H5OH divided by ito, divided by pila to? Ay wait, naman 150 grams. 3.26 mole. 3.26 mole of C2H5OH divided by 4.65 mole. Mole solution. Okay. Mali na. Now we need to divide. So 3.26 divided by 4.65. 4.65 is equals to 0.70 mole. Wait, di ba mole? Mole giman dapat. Yeah, oo. Sakto. Small C2H5OH. Okay, tapos na. Yay! 1.63 giman. C2H5OH. 1.63. Wait. Okay, 40 grams. C2H5OH. Wait, same lang sila. Okay, 75 grams. 150 ounce given. Times 2. 3.26. Yeah, sakto. Now, this would be the final answer niya. Oh, nagtibag. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.